Positive Quotes Part 20. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, inspiring inputs. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. There is a hidden blessing in the most traumatic things we go through in our lives. My brain always goes to 1. Where is the hidden blessing? 2. What is my gift? Even though you are fed up, you gotta keep your head up. While positive thinking doesn't always work, negative thinking, unfortunately, almost always does. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great makes you feel that you too can become great. It takes but one positive thought when given a chance to survive and thrive, to overpower an entire army of negative thoughts. She turned her can'ts into cans and her dreams into plans. As the physically weak man can make himself strong by careful and patient training, so the man of weak thoughts can make them strong by exercising himself in right thinking. Be soft. Do not let the world make you hard. Do not let the pain make you hate. Do not let the bitterness steal your sweetness. Take pride that even though the rest of the world may disagree, you still believe it to be a beautiful place. Be determined to be positive. Understand that the greater part of your misery or unhappiness is determined not by your circumstances but by your attitude. So smile at those who often try to begrudge or hurt you. Show them what is missing in their life and what they can't take away from you. The art of positive self-talk is simply paying attention to your inner dialogue and directing it toward positive, performance-based language. Most people don't take the time to sit back and witness their own thoughts, which is an essential step toward realizing that our thoughts are not who we are. They don't control us. They are just thoughts. The only power they have is what we give them, what we feed them. Once you create that mental distance between you and your thoughts, you can start to tame and manage them. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please press round button and subscribe. Your comments and suggestions are welcome.